City of God Royal Ministries, aka Palace of Grace, invite you to Divine Overflow 2022. Team, that same God of Daniel. Date Monday 19th through Sunday 25th September 2022. Time 6 p.m. daily and on Tuesday 9 a.m. Venue at the Church Auditorium, number 2 Ora Street off Akere Bus Stop, Krikri Road, Olodi Apapa, Lagos State, Nigeria. Ministering Pastor Udeme Daniel, all the way from Calabar, Cross River State, with your host Apostle Prophet Daniel Akpaniko, featuring salvation, deliverance, healing, prophecy, and breakthrough. For inquiry, please call +234 702 516 0056 or +234 808 468 8940. Come, for the God of Daniel is waiting to bless you. Jesus is Lord.